Practice plus creativity. In the previous video, we discussed one benefit of practice. Another benefit would be creativity. Does this sound strange? How does practicing math increase creativity? Well, when I was in fourth grade, I recall a couple of friends were able to tell time and military time. The internet for the public did not exist. So I had to develop this clunky, inefficient method to translate military time, which took 2 to 3 steps. Sometime later, I was informed that I could just subtract by 12 in one step versus 2 to 3 steps. Even though the official way is quicker, creativity is about the ability to do something in a new way, a different way. There are other examples of where, for example, the slow way or the less quick way is better, like cooking. Microwave food doesn't necessarily taste as good as oven roasted food, but you can decide for yourself. In section 2, you're working with inequalities. You have -4 and 5. As you can see, -4 is less than 5. See the bio or description for a link to the free Algebra workbook for more examples.